My name is Eradukunda Grace. I'm going to take you through the keywords used in object-oriented programming, starting with native. This is used to declare a method that is implemented in a language other than Java, typically in C or C++. Move to this. It also refers to a current object in the class. Next is try. It is used to introduce a try-catch block, which is a control flow statement that allows you to handle expectations that may occur during the execution of a block of code. The next word is double, which is used to declare a variable or field that can hold 64-byte floating point number. Next we go to final, which is used to indicate that a variable or method cannot be modified or overrides public class main. The next is long, which is used to declare a variable or field that can hold up to 64 bytes to complement integers. Finally, used in exception handling to specify a block of code that must be executed regardless of whether an exception is thrown or not. Float, used to declare a variable or field that can hold up to 32-byte floating point numbers. Enum, used to declare an enumeration, which is a special type of class that represents a fixed set of constants. Package, used to declare the package to which a Java class or interface belongs. Null, used to represent a non-existing value. Instance of, used to check if an object is an instance of a particular class or interface. Short, used to declare a variable or field that can hold up to 16 bytes signed integer values. Super, used to refer to a superclass, parent class of a current or a parent class of a current class. Class, it is used to declare a new class. A class is also known as a blueprint that can define the properties and behavior of an object. Private, used to declare the access modifier for a class or method. Static, used to declare a member or method that belongs to a class rather than or instance of the class. Throw, used to explicit throw an exception from a method or block of code. Constant, this is not a reversed word but a keyword that is reversed for future use. Var, used to declare local variables with inferred types. New, used to create new objects, arrays and instances of class. Return, used to exit a method and return a value to the caller. Else, used in the conjunction with the keyboard to for in else of statement. Abstract, used to declare abstract classes. It's also used to introduce a for loop. Switch, used to create a switch statement. Assert, used for debugging to test assumptions in the code. Boolean, a data type that can hold true or false. Byte, a data type that can hold 8-byte integer values. Continue, skips the current iteration of a loop. Synchronized, used to control access to a method or block of multiple threads. Char, a data type that can hold a single 16-byte Unicode character. Volatile, ensure visibility of changes to variables across threads. Transient, marks a field as not to be serialized. Void, used to indicate that method doesn't return any value. Import, used to import packages or classes. Int is a data type that can hold 32-byte integer values. Implements, used to implement an interface. Short, a data type that can hold 16-byte integer values. Strict FP ensures consistent floating point calculations across platforms. Null, a literal representing a null reference. Public, an access modifier that allows access from any class. Protected, an access modifier that allows access within the package and subclasses. Package is used to declare a package. Native, used to indicate that a method is implemented in native code. Static is used to declare class level variables or methods. Do, used to create a do-while loop. Private is an access modifier that restricts access to within the class. Catch, used to handle exceptions in a try-catch block. If is used to create conditional statements.